Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So just simply have a look at this document. So it is rather odd. Okay, so you can see when I simply opened it with the browser, it's saying that please wait. If this message is not eventually replaced by the proper content of the document, your PDF viewer may not be able to display this type of document. Okay, and under the below they are saying that you can upgrade to the latest version of the Adobe Reader for Windows, Mac or Linux by visiting their URL. Okay, so why is actually it is happening, or we are seeing this type of error? It is because that the type of form that has been used in this document is called dynamic. It means when you click an option, it's going to open the other options out there. So the solution is actually rather simple. You have to just simply install the official version of the Adobe. You can use just this link and it will take you to the okay, not that one, sorry. Yes, it is the same. Just simply download it and then install it inside your system, and then it's going to fix the problem just like that. Okay, I have installed the Adobe Acrobat Reader inside the system. You can see. Let me go ahead and open it with the Adobe Acrobat, and then you can see all of the options that there is not a single line of problem with viewing this document. So you can see everything is good to go, and you can see it's like there is only one page, right? But when you click on this start button, you will see the other options, and now it has expanded to the 5 pages. And now if you click on no, you can see the other options. Same goes with the other options. So you get the idea, right? This is actually the dynamic forms that has been used with these options within these PDF files. So the simplest or the quickest method to fix this problem is to just simply go ahead and install the Adobe Acrobat Reader or any other version that is compatible with. It also depends on the type of the version of the Adobe Acrobat that you are using. Mostly if you click here on this check version, so you can see it is giving the detail or the version of the Acrobat that I am using, and also below that you can see that the questionnaire version is 10.73, and then the other details or the agent, you can see the script up there. So I hope that this method should just simply clarify the error that you are seeing across the, I don't know, your document. I hope this should fill out or help you with the problem. Okay, if you think that this video was helpful to you, do not forget to subscribe my channel, which is intoguide.com or intoguide, and hit the like, subscribe or share or comment. I don't know, just do the thing. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.